Squirrly SEO is an AI-powered, all-in-one SEO suite that takes the guesswork out of search engine optimization. Thanks to the magic of machine learning, Squirrly SEO's AI systems filter through the billions of data points that have made over 600,000 websites rank higher on Google. Based on that data, you'll receive high-priority actionable goals that are 100% relevant to your site. Find out exactly what actions to take to make your pages rank higher with step-by-step instructions on how to complete every goal. With Squirrly SEO, you'll always know exactly what to do to get to the first page of the Google results. You'll be able to discover untapped keyword ideas and analyze their potential with a built-in keyword research tool. Get clear-cut intelligence for every keyword you research, including search volume, competition data, how popular the topic is on social media, and the odds of ranking. Once you find high-potential keywords, you can save and organize keywords into groups to plan your content and perfect your SEO strategy using the Briefcase feature. Discover high-potential keywords to target and get clear guidance on how to optimize your content. Finding the best keywords is just one step, you've got to use them correctly in your SEO content to get results. The Live Assistant feature provides real-time SEO feedback on your content as you type in the WordPress editor, along with suggestions for 100% on-page optimization. Kick it up a notch by using the blogging tools to add copyright-free images, include relevant tweets, and reference-related blog posts.